So I'm buying another one. I'm buying another Fj60. It's a 1985. We just came to a deal on the phone for this red Fj60. It's in a barn. It's in this guy's storage unit. And so we're gonna go into West Virginia, Martinsburg, and pick this thing up. My buddy and I are gonna go halfway on it with each other. And then we're gonna see what we get into after that. It's got a lot of aftermarket parts that I'm gonna want for Nora. And then we're probably gonna use some other parts to part out. So if you need parts, leave me a comment and we'll get that stuff out to you and come to a deal. So, all right, let's go. Let's get in the truck, let's roll. All right, we just got to Martinsburg, West Virginia. About to go to the storage unit where this truck's being stored. Got to go back this back road. Here it is in a storage unit. This thing is awesome. We're gonna roll this thing out. It doesn't run right now, but we're gonna get it rolled out, and then we're gonna come back with a trailer flatbed, and we're gonna get this thing towed out of here. So it's pretty cool though. All right, got the bale of sale and the title. Let's roll this thing out of the garage. Let's go. Pulled this beautiful beauty out of this storage unit. It's definitely seen better days on parts. She's a rust bucket. As you can see, she's got a lot of great parts to offer. My buddy and I, I'm definitely gonna take the bull bar off and probably put it on my truck. Let's see what we inherited inside. All right, so it came with everything that it was sitting in the storage unit with. Even the lovely cobwebs right here, that is part of the deal. Cobwebs, I mean, it's okay. It's got a lot of character. The door's rusting out there, lots of rust, of course. And got all the lovely rat poop that's classic of some type of barn find truck. And all of the gardening tools that you ever need. I don't know if I'm gonna need a rake, but now I have one. Came with the deal, and along with all this other jazz in here. But we're gonna get it home on Saturday, and then we'll dissect it, clean it out, and see what we really have at that point. It's actually kind of a sad story. The guy that I just bought this from, who was his buddy, he actually passed away, and he inherited the truck after he passed away. So pretty much I feel like the truck has been left exactly how it was when the guy grabbed it. I mean, even to the point, I mean, it has some old Polaroid pictures in it, which is kind of cool, and just everything, maps, absolutely everything. So it looks like it's just been sitting just letting time take its course. But it's gonna find a new home, so we're gonna get it on Saturday and get her pulled out of here. Saturday morning, a couple days later, we got a trailer. We're gonna go get the red 60. Let's go. We gotta winch the old girl up on the trailer.
I can't live without you. I can't breathe without your love.
Let's see if this old girl starts. It idles. It's been in a garage for 3 years. Oh man, she's running.